Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, mixed trade overnight with beans higher, corn and wheat lower. I think looking at the USDA numbers, crop-wise, they lower the corn and soybean crop ratings. We continue to see the best crops across Minnesota, Wisconsin, and then Illinois is improving in corn, and then across Missouri, Kentucky, and the northern Delta. And the lowest crops are in Iowa, Michigan, and Ohio. Um, I think that $10 beans, futures are overbought, but every day there's Chinese announcements of U.S. soybean sales is supportive to the fund buying, who almost have a record long in beans. They've got 25 million tons on the books, including unknown out of the U.S., which is 3 months worth of demand. And yesterday they bought Brazil new crop cargoes. So we'll be watching pretty closely to see when they switch buying to Brazil. That could put a top in the bean market. Corn's up against strong resistance. U.S. farmers are reluctant sellers. The dry August weather caused the corn market to see a lower supply and tightening up some of the carryouts, which has supported a rally from 320 to 370. But again, we're up against pretty strong resistance in corn. Farmers, again, reluctant seller, and we think we could see a higher than normal spot selling off the combine as harvest progresses. Wheat is supported by the higher Russian prices. That's due to dryness in Russia and also the lack of farmers selling there. Weather's grabbing headlines with the fires in California. Sally's going to dump 30 inches of rain on Mobile, Alabama and Biloxi, Mississippi. The Midwest should be clear over the next couple of weeks for maturation and harvest. And it's still dry in parts of Europe, Russia, Argentina, and Western Australia. So I think in general, we're close to some key resistance levels, and we'll see if we can push through those because of weather and China buying, or if it's time for some kind of seasonal pullback going into the U.S. harvest. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, try to treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.